Madam.
Eh?
I better no verse for the delay.
No problem.
No verse.
Yeah, make fast. Come. Oh yeah, come give me the head, I beg.
Okay, the head, Abi.
Eh?
I come with her.
What be this? What be
this? The problem is say you don't tell me whether na goat head you want or na cow head. So me can just use my own initiative. Now buy see who come. We go enjoy we're gonna G-Sport now run am. The sharp.
Ouch! Are you okay? Are you new to this game?
I wonder.
What's your problem? I said I want head. Give me head. I want you to lick my plate.
To lick your plate?
Yes.
Hey, that will not be problem now, madam. That one a small thing. Eh?
Hey! Your head not correct.
Are you mad? You are crazy. This is what I paid you for. Eh? The 50K what I paid you for. I said I want you to eat me up. Lick me.
But I wait make I understand. Because no one I go stand, I go say I shall to get per body. You mean say make I go down there?
Yes.
Spread your legs. Lick your plate. As so far so. So make I lick your plate. So I'll guess all throat, Abi.